Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is Friday, December 18th, 2020. It's our last school day of 2020. You guys, we made it. You've worked so hard. I love the joyfulness this week. I love seeing the doors that you decorated. They're absolutely amazing. I love being dressed in my jammies for school. My favorite Chewbacca jammies. I was trying to figure out if I could get my Santa hat on with my Chewbacca jammies. Oh man, this might actually work. Oh, that's going to be fantastic. So much joyfulness, so much fun today, and then we're going to take 2 weeks off, celebrate the holidays with our families. It's going to be amazing. Let's go ahead and get today started with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. You can take your Santa hats off if you have them, or your Chewbacca hats. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. So like I said, it's Friday. You've been spreading joyfulness all week. You guys, I can't tell you how much being here with you every day makes me happy and makes me feel joyful. And I wanted to spread a little joy to you guys today. So a while back during distance learning, there was actually one day on morning assembly where Chewbacca was playing a little electric guitar. And it was weird, but it was pretty fun. I thought, you know what? What better way to go out on 2020 than a little bit of Chewbacca singing a Christmas carol for you. I hope you enjoy. Merry Christmas, Achieve.
Well, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Well, he's making a list, he's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Well, he sees you when you're sleeping, and he knows when you're awake. Well, he knows if you've been bad or good, sober good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout. I'm telling you why. I said Santa Claus is coming to town.
I hope you guys have a great day. Have a fun 2 weeks off.